Hi ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is Lessons with Miss Fatma. It's really good to see you all here again. Today we will be learning pronouns in Somali. Walaalayaal kusoo dhawaada casharadeena maanta waxaan baran doonaa pronouns sidii af-soomaali lagu dhaho. Pronouns in Somali is magac-u-yaal. Again, pronouns in Somali is magac-u-yaal. So let's start our video. We have 7 pronouns in the Somali language. Let's start with I, aniga. I, aniga. This is the singular version of you. You, adiga. You, adiga. He, asaga. He, asaga. She, ayada. She, ayada. We, anaga. We, anaga. The plural version of you is idinka. You, idinka. They, ayaga. They, ayaga. In Somali language, normally we don't use the pronoun it. Things in Somali are usually masculine or feminine. So the pronouns asaga or ayada is applied. For example, a cat is nyanyurta. The ta at the end of nyanyurta shows that the cat is feminine. So the pronoun should be ayada. While a dog is eiga. The ga at the end is masculine. So the pronoun to use is asaga. Now I will test you. A house is masculine. So I'll give you a couple of seconds for you to get the correct pronoun for a house. If you said asaga, you are correct. Good job. We are going to wind down today's lesson with a recap of the subject pronouns that we learned. I, aniga. You, adiga. He, asaga. She, ayada. We, anaga. You, plural, idinka. They, ayaga. If you have any questions, please don't shy away from asking them on the comments section down below. If you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon so that you can be notified each time I post. I am grateful that you're here at the end. Thank you so much. See you next week. Have a great weekend.